Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to make money with Bitcoin mining. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. With the internet becoming more and more popular every day, it is no longer just a way to talk to people and have fun. Some people make money on the internet, and there is a lot of money to be made. It's like sitting under a mango tree and picking as many mangoes as you want. Don't misunderstand me and think it's easy money. You still have to work for it, by the way. One of the best ways to make money is to mine Bitcoin. Validation is needed for Bitcoin transactions to be complete. This is done by running SHA-256 double-run hash verification processes, which validate the transactions and keep Bitcoin's public ledger safe. In return, the Bitcoin network gives Bitcoins to the miners who helped process transactions. This comes from the new Bitcoins that are made and the fees for each transaction. The most Bitcoin goes to the person who can offer the most processing power. To mine, you need to buy Bitcoin mining equipment, which you can find on the internet. In the beginning, you could mine with your computer if you had a good processor and a very powerful graphics processing unit. Custom Bitcoin ASIC chips have a lot more power than regular systems, so you can no longer mine with a regular PC. Technically you can, but your electricity bills will be way more than what you make. Once you've bought your mining hardware, which will require some sort of investment, the amount of which will depend on the type of miner you want, you will need mining software. This can be found online for free. CG Miner and BFG Miner are the two most used miners. There are different types of miners, from CLI miners to GUI miners, and it's up to you which one you want to use. Joining a mining pool is the next thing you will need to do. People get together in these pools to mine and share what they find. If a miner goes in alone, they might not make any money for a long time. You will also need a place to store Bitcoins. If you already have a wallet, you won't need to get another one. Your unique address will be used to send the Bitcoins to your wallet. Please use two-factor authentication to keep your wallet safe from possible attacks. You can get a wallet by installing software on your computer that lets you make wallets. Also, you will need to find a place where you can buy and sell Bitcoins. Last, make sure you know what's going on with Bitcoin. You are now ready to start making money. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.